Hello everyone, welcome back to Immersive Mediums 101. I am Ivy and so far we have explored how XR is breaking into new sectors beyond gaming. Today we are going even deeper because XR is not just changing how we live but also how we save lives in real time. Yes, you heard that right. XR is reshaping healthcare, an industry where XR is doing more than just creating virtual worlds. It is saving lives. So stay tuned because you won't want to miss out on what's next. Let's start with one of the most groundbreaking uses of XR, VR surgical training. Did you know that during their 5-year training, surgeons are supposed to perform around 850 surgeries? However, studies and reports indicate that the average number of surgeries performed may be lower than ideal, and many residents feel they do not get enough hands-on experience. But what if they could practice in a virtual operating room first? VR allows surgeons to perfect their skills in a risk-free environment before they ever touch a real patient. With VR, doctors can practice complicated surgeries over and over again, ensuring they're prepared for the real deal. No real patients, no risk, just practicing until they get it right. Isn't that awesome? But XR's impact isn't limited to training. It's also making its way into the operating room. Augmented reality gives surgeons an incredible advantage by overlaying real-time patient data directly in their field of vision. It's like performing surgery with X-ray vision, where vital stats, scans, and even guidance appear right before your eyes, totally hands-free.
It projects the image of the patient's spine onto the patient through their skin. And so now we can have the advantage of navigation information while staring at our patient while doing our surgery. So the workflow is much more natural.
Now let's focus on how XR is improving patient care. Remember the sci-fi film Elysium from 2013? It showcased futuristic medical tech that could instantly heal injuries. While we are not there yet, XR is already helping manage pain through VR therapy. Rather than relying on more painkillers, patients can immerse themselves in a peaceful virtual environment, whether it's for labor pain, anxiety, or PTSD. These virtual worlds offer real relief.
Nothing is really helping. We had to do something to change the situation, and that's actually where I met Dr. Spiegel. They were doing the trial project for the virtual reality program.
Oh my gosh. The breeze is blowing through. There's the Hollywood sign, and there's my house. Thank you so much, Sai. You have no idea.
Speaking of patient care, let's talk about a tool called AccuVein. This AR device projects a map of vein directly onto the skin, making it much easier for healthcare professionals to find veins quickly. This means fewer painful attempts when drawing blood or inserting an IV. It's a small, simple tool, but it makes a huge difference in patient care. From training surgeons to easing patient discomfort, XR is truly transforming healthcare in ways that improve both quality and safety. It's pretty amazing to see how far we have come, right? If you're curious about what the future holds for XR in healthcare, we have linked a great article in the description. Be sure to check it out. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And also, join our Discord community. The link is in the description below. Bye!